Many Roman vessels have double handles. There's a variety of them. This is simply one version. The gather is flattened and then divided in two with the pincers. Here's the initial contact. This is cut free of the gathering iron. And the second attachment points are made simultaneously. The thin threads dragged along the handles. After reheating, the handles are manipulated to create the pattern.